right, so if you as a business owner are not a math person, if the thought of managing the finances of your business make you sick to your stomach, if worrying about the financial health of your business keeps you up at night, and if you're tired of being disorganized and panicked at tax time, then it might be time to hire a bookkeeper. A bookkeeper records, classifies, and tracks the financial transactions of your business. So why would they do this? Well, they want to make sure that you keep as much money as possible. That is their primary job. So how do you know if your business is losing money? We make sure that you can see precisely how the business is performing, the profit and loss, so that you can make the best decisions about how to move forward. We make sure that the information we provide your accountant is accurate so that he or she can find the best opportunities to lower your tax liabilities. And third, we make sure that your operations are as efficient and streamlined as possible so that you're not wasting time, money, materials, or effort. So here's how it works. Right now, you sell food and beverage. And when you do, that sale information goes into your Clover system. Clover then deposits that information into your bank account. The problem is that Clover is only giving you one daily lump sum. They're telling you this is how much money you made or you brought in that day. What it's not telling you is how much of it was for food, how much of it was for alcohol or other beverages. And even though you can run those reports in Clover, Clover's not going to tell you how much those things cost. So let's talk about costs. Obviously, you buy your products wholesale from somewhere, Restaurant Depot or wherever, and then you pay that vendor from your bank account. But again, that's just going to be one payment per vendor. It doesn't break it out into how much of that was food, alcohol, or other beverages. And then on the flip side of Clover, where we didn't know how much those things cost, now you don't know how much those things sold for. So there's no matching up. There's no connection between the two. And of course, you're not just buying food, alcohol, and other beverages. You're also buying paper products and chemicals and rent and utilities, and you're paying for payroll. So all of that needs to be connected in one place. And that's what QuickBooks Online or any other accounting software is going to do for you. It's going to keep it all together in one place. So Clover is going to send the information automatically into QuickBooks Online. Now, in order for that to happen, you have to purchase an extra little app called Commerce Sync that sends the information from one place to the other. Your bank will also automatically feed information directly into QuickBooks Online. There's no charge for that. And then ADP, also your payroll system, can feed information directly into QuickBooks Online. And of course, QuickBooks also has its own payroll system. So either one, you're going to get that payroll information. It's all going to be in QuickBooks Online at the same time. So what are the advantages of that? Most importantly, you'll be able to match and compare the food and beverage costs and the food and beverage sold and make sure that your pricing and margins are accurate. But you'll also be able to track costs for non-food items like we talked about before, paper products, chemicals, rent and utilities, payroll, etc. And then QuickBooks will report those line items accurately to your accountant. So there's no end of the year or end of the quarter struggling, trying to look at invoices and tally and figure out how much everything was going to cost. It's all right there. Now, on average, QuickBooks users find $3,534 per year in tax savings and 40 hours of time savings per month. QuickBooks is very good about talking to their clients and getting accurate information so that they have accurate numbers that they publish. Commerce Sync also does the same kind of study, and they've found that their users save over 300 hours each year or $15,000 in manual data entry expenses. That has to happen. The information on the sale has to somehow match up. And so you either have to do it manually or you have to do it automatically, which is what Commerce Sync does, and that's why that saves that much money. And then you'll also be able to save on accounting fees by providing exactly what your accountant needs to get the job done accurately and on time. They don't have to spend your money and their time sorting through and tallying everything. You're just going to be able to provide the accountant directly with the information they need. In fact, just recently, I was able to show somebody how they could save $4,000 that's per year just in accounting fees because QuickBooks Online makes it so much easier.